Okay, so now, one-handed. Yeah, there's my trees. Gotta get those branches off. Put them up here in the intersection. Firms up the ground. Stops erosion. There's a few logs there in that pile. I was working my butt off them all the way down this road. Easy load. That's what we call them, easy loads, right? Right, guys? Easy, because nothing hard about getting logs, is it? Yeah, there we go. This is how you do it. Trail number 2. All these trees you can't get. This is just, it's a truck. Alright. We're going to break some of these branches off and drop them here. So I'm going to set it down. I'm holding the camera with my legs. Okay. And then now I'm going to go up here. I can reach them a little better. Along the tree. See, I don't know if you can see that or not. And I just literally just break the branches off and leave them right here. That one tree, so it's double top, not worth shit, but it was in the way. It was gonna get taken out by a bigger tree, so you just don't leave it, because then it'll totally be worth nothing. At least this way I get to pick where it gets cut off, not to break, because usually that's what happens, they break off. I see, you can see the handle down there. Okay, so here's what I do. Pick this up carefully. You gotta be really careful with cedar. It's fragile. And I got some of the branches off, not all of them. So now I'm going to stop smacking that tree because, yeah.